Look, I've generated millions of dollars with my online dropshipping stores, and if I had to start over from scratch to make $10,000 within the next 30 days, this is exactly what I would do. All right, just to prove to you that the strategy I'm about to show you works 100%. This is a store that I started within the last like 3-4 days, and it's already generating $550 in sales. Okay, trust me, you want to stick around and watch everything in this video step by step, because making one mistake here could actually cost you some time and money. All right, all you're gonna need is $50 to start, but let's get right into it. Step one, we need to find out what product we're gonna sell, and the tool I like to use is Exploding Topics. This is a website. They have a free trial, and you can basically just search in any niche. So I like to go in like the beauty niche, for example. It's very profitable. Look at some of the trends of these products that are skyrocketing up. So this one is a good one, but this one really sticks out because it's more consistent and it's still growing. So let's check out what that is. Okay, Revive Collagen is a liquid supplement to support skin and health. All right, and if I come down, I want to see some of the sub niches that are related to this topic. So something that's grown more recently within this topic is collagen mask. Okay, so this is very good. I like the forecast on this. We can use AI here to do the forecast if you do the free trial to see whether it's going to keep going up or it's going to die down. All right, we want something that's going to keep going up, but I'm going to assume this is doing well because the overall trend of collagen has been consistently going up. Now, all I'm going to do is type in collagen mask now into AliExpress. We're going to use AliExpress just for research purposes, just to find out what the product is and to make it make sense. See if the numbers are adding up, right? So right here, we're going to see a few of the products being sold. This one is one that sticks out. 700 sold. It has 5-star reviews, and it's only $3, right? It's about $2.65. So now I know what the product looks like. This is what it looks like it does. It's a face mask that has collagen in it, I guess, and it is a beauty product for the ladies, right? So this is great. We're making great progress. Now we can move to step two. Step two is where we want to do our market research, and we want to see what the competitor store actually looks like with this product. So to do that, I'll go to Facebook ad library. All right, just search in Google Facebook ad library, click the first link you see, and then you're gonna be on a page that looks like this. So just go to all ads, and now we're gonna type that same keyword, collagen face mask. All right, and I want to see what the ads look like. I want to see what my competitors are putting out there, because if this is trending, trust me, you don't want to recreate the wheel. You want to do what's already working and just do it better. So what I like to do is I'll just come over here and play these videos. I'll play like 10 to 20 of these videos and just see exactly what the product looks like and how it's being sold. So let's take a look together.
Do you all see this skin? Now this is a skincare product I can't live without.
Number one question with this mask is, what does it look like after you've showered, washed your face, and all that? I'm gonna show you. There's a lot of collagen masks out there, and I've tried them all, but this one I think is the best. Elastic hands on it before it is time for the peel.
Boom. So we get the point. And I would just do this for like the next 20-30 minutes to see and study and learn the product. You don't go in with assumptions. You want to let the videos tell you what the market is and read the ads. This gives you a good starting point. And what I even like about the Facebook ad library is when I come down here, I can also click to see what the actual website looks like itself. We can come to a site right here, for example, and you can see, okay, this is what the product looks like. Buy 3, get 3 free. Okay, 24 masks total, 12 masks for $59.99. So they're really selling this thing, okay? 4 masks for $29.99, and as you can see over here, we could get 4 masks for $2.65. So they're making over $25 profit margin on this right now. The numbers make sense to me, and that's great. If we just do some simple math, right? And trust me, we'll get to the next important steps, but we need to make sure the numbers make sense. If we do simple math and we want to make $10,000 in a month, and we see that on average this product is being sold over here for $59. Let's just say the average order value is $50. Some people buy lower, some people buy higher, right? So we're gonna divide that 10,000 by 50. That's 200 orders, okay? And now we're just gonna divide that by 30, and all we need to do is make 6 to 7 purchases every single day. 6 to 7 purchases every single day will make you $10,000 per month in revenue. And with these type of margins, you can make 30% profit easily, having the cost for goods and also having the cost for the advertising. What's left is going to be profit for you. So I think this is something that's actually perfect. Okay, we got pretty lucky here. And just come down into the store and study their site. All right, see what they have on the site. You're gonna notice that it shows a lot of human faces. Don't just put a site together that just, you know, it doesn't have any content that's dynamic. It's a still boring site. You want something that has human faces on it, and it has, most importantly, reviews. Okay, reviews are very, very important. As you can see, they have a lot of reviews right here. Okay, and then you can just keep going back and forth to the ads library and studying the competition's ads. Watch every single one of them. You can download these ads as well. You can do a Google search for a tool called Facebook Ad Library Video Downloader. And this will allow you to download the videos directly from Facebook Ad Library. Also search TikTok. You want to type in collagen face mask on TikTok and then download those videos too. We're going to use those later for our ads so that we can get going very fast. Now at this point, we found the winning product. We've done the market research, and this is only going to take us about 30 to 40 minutes at this point. So now we're ready to move to step 3. This is where we'll have to build out the store. Usually this will take 8 to 10 hours to do, but with the help of all these AI apps now, you can just search AI Shopify store on Google and then come to one of these top ones. A lot of these other drop shippers on YouTube are promoting like these AI apps that'll build out your store as well. You can use this and it'll just create your website for you within like 10-12 minutes, right? So 8-hour job now condensed down to about 10 minutes, and that's how we're saving time throughout this whole thing. Okay, this whole process A to Z is gonna take about 6 hours for you to set up, and you should start seeing sales by tomorrow. So keep watching this video. I'm gonna show you the best part after this. Now, this is the free option. I'm pretty sure these are free, right? It says start now for free. But at this point, we haven't spent any money, right? I'm really big on doing this with a low budget and saving your money for advertising. If you do want, you know, one-on-one help to set up your store, because this is not going to make it perfect, but if you want my help, I'll leave a link in the description to sign up for mentorship. The other option is to have a professional designer design your store for you. That's what I tend to do with my stores, and this is an example of what the store looks like, or what you should want it to look like. Okay, I did this product, and this is the product that I'm actually running right now. It's a grounding bed sheet, okay? And this is something that's trending. You've probably seen the ads for it on your feed, but it's a little bit more on the expensive side. But as you can see, it's not just a simple, boring dropshipping website that looks like everybody else's dropshipping stores, okay? People know what dropshipping is nowadays. So if you don't make your site stand out, it's not gonna work, no matter how good your product or your ads are. So this is an example of something that's doing well. I'll show you what the ads look like for this later, but you can pay somebody to design your website for you. I'm assuming most of y'all are on a budget, so go with one of these AI app stores, right? You still will have to make adjustments. You still will have to use content, but use the competitor stores as inspiration, because you already know what's selling when they have it. The logic is that if they're advertising all these ads here, they're not going to do it while they're losing money. They're going to only do it if they're making a profit from it. So you want to make sure that you study what's on ads library, because those are most likely profitable takes. So now that we have our store built, let's say you've done everything up until now. You have the winning product. You have a product that is trending and is solving a problem. You have it with great margins as well. And then you go to do the market research. You know exactly how you want to sell it, how you want to bundle it, how much you're going to sell it for, and who you're selling it for, most importantly, right? You might be selling it to adults who want to get rid of wrinkles. You might be selling it to a younger demographic who want to just get rid of acne, right? So you need to find out who exactly you're speaking to. And 3, we're going to have our store built out using these AI tools, okay? So now we're ready to go into step 4. This is where we'll go into the process of creating our ads before we start advertising them on Meta ads. For this one, I'll keep it simple. If you're on a budget, you're gonna have to just steal people's content. I know a lot of people are against this. They're gonna say, oh, am I gonna get into trouble? Am I gonna have problems? This is just a short-term solution. You want to start this just so you could get going fast, right? Take what's already working in the market, and most likely these are the ones that's going to be working. So go to Facebook ad library, find out how you can download these ads using an app, okay, or a Chrome extension. And then you want to have about 10 to 20 ads. You need a lot of ads. This is a big thing that I see a lot of people mess up with their dropshipping stores. They'll go and get like 3 ads and then hope that one of those 3 works. If one of those 3 works, you need a 33% chance of success. Whereas if you get one of 20, now you need to have like, what's the math on that? You need to have like just a 5% chance of success. So you increase your chances of success when you have more ads. All you really need is one of those ads to do well. That's why I say go with a lot of ads. Even if you have to throw pictures in there, picture ads work fine too. And then what you want to do is take those ads now. All right, you might want to edit them. If you're not okay with ripping off ads that other people already have and you don't want to do that, all you have to do is go into some of these AI tools, right? Like Arc Ads. Again, we're going to be using AI for a lot of the stuff that we're doing here, because that it just helps you move faster. Now again, this is the paid option, okay, but it's much more safer and it's scalable. The paid option is something that you can use called arcads.ai. I've covered this extensively in the last video. To do a full tutorial on this, it's gonna take 20 minutes. I'll leave a link of a video right here where I did a full tutorial how to make ads on this. That video is doing pretty good right now, so you guys like it, I guess. This is where you'll actually be able to create a script for the AI actor. You'll actually be able to tell the AI actor what you want it to do, and it comes out very realistic. I'll show you an example just in case that's something that you want to do. So here's an example of a video that is an AI ad.
If you have an unsymmetrical face, it's because you're a side sleeper. When we sleep on our side, our face gets smashed against our pillow, leaving us with those pesky sleep line wrinkles. My latest obsession is the Amorum anti-wrinkle pillow. It has a little indentation, so when you're sleeping on your face...
All right, you guys get the point. And that was completely AI. Like I said, these AI tools are very advanced right now, so use them to your advantage, especially to get a fast start. All right, now once you have your winning product, once you've done your market research, you know who you want to sell to, once you've got your website built and you have the advertising set up, now we want to go run our Facebook ad strategy, and I will show you the exact strategy I'm using with some of the past results that I've gotten for this grounding pillow or this grounding sheet, right? So here's what the ad will look like. Okay, if you come right here, it's just one campaign. It's a very simple campaign. One ABO, $50 being spent. Okay, you want to make sure you select the advantage budget, and then you want to go into the ad set level. The ad set level is just going to go for conversions, purchases, and we're not going to do any crazy targeting. We're not going to like select interest or anything. All we're going to do is just let Facebook decide. Facebook's algorithm is so enhanced at this point and has so much data that if you put it just a no interest campaign, it'll do very well, and it's actually going to make your advertising a lot cheaper to do because you have a wider audience to work with. So there's few reasons why you don't want to select any placements for this. Just let Facebook do the job for you. When you come into the ads, you're going to see I have 6. I'm telling you guys to have 10 to 20 because I'm pretty good at selecting good ads. I know what works at this point, but this is a bad job. Okay, I'll tell you right now, you should have at least 20 ads running. Okay, and let Facebook decide after the first day. Okay, so you want to launch this after about 2 days. You want to come back and see which one gets you a sale. Okay, as for me, one of them got me a sale. As you can see right here, I'll come, and the ROAS on this one was about 3.58. So this is a profitable ad right here, the one out of the 6. Okay, and now what I want to do is just come right here, and this is what I would do to keep optimizing the ad to make it more and more profitable. Because what you're gonna notice is that this one ad, even though it got us sales and it was profitable, it was for like $250 for one customer, and we only spent $69. The reason we want to keep optimizing this is because the cost per click was very high at about almost $3. So I want this to be around 50 cents, and the click-through rate is good. It means a lot of people are showing interest in this product, but I want this to be down to about 50 cents so we can get 5 times more purchases, because we're gonna get 5 times more people into our store for less money, right? For the same amount of money spent pretty much. And that would increase the chances of you getting sales. So this is where we're gonna do most of our work now on. The store is doing its job, the product is selling, people have interest in it. Now you want to follow this framework right here. So you got the ABO running. After you get a first sale, one of these ads are gonna do well. One of these ads are gonna get you a sale and do well over the others. So what you want to do is come down, take that one ad, you want to study it and see exactly what is working about that ad. What are the first 3 seconds? Who is it targeting? What is the music? Okay, and then you want to create variations of that ad. Now we want to change just one thing at a time. Maybe change the call to action on this one. We're going to change the structure, right? So we'll take the first half of the ad and then we'll flip it with the second half of the ad and see if that works. Sometimes that works, right? Maybe we'll collage it and we'll put this ad mixed with other ads, right? So you get what I'm saying. Just change one thing at a time, and you want to do multiple ads. You want to keep the original, of course, because that's working, right? That's gonna be your constant. All right, so this is gonna be your original. You're gonna have the CTA. You're gonna have the flipped. Okay, you're gonna have the flipped ad. You're gonna change the music on one, right? Little things, and this is enough for you to have variations. That's 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, and so on, right? You want to do this up until about 8 to 10 ads, and once you start running this, you're gonna see 2 of them are gonna start to work now. So now you're gonna take those 2, study them, and then figure out exactly what's working while you're still testing other ads in the background. And once you do this, you're gonna be able to quickly start scaling these campaigns up. And all you want to do is bump these campaigns up, like, 20% every day. So with this one, I'll bump it like to $60 on the next day. If it keeps doing well, I'll bump it to about 75. Then I'll go to 100, right? Then like 120, and so on and so forth. And that's how you're gonna keep gaining scale with these ad campaigns. This is pretty much my premise for split testing and narrowing down and optimizing the ad, optimizing the store. After you get something that's working, you want to add emails to your store that's going to be able to get people to make purchases even afterwards. You want to duplicate these campaigns, raise the budgets, all right? And that's pretty much what it takes. If you want step-by-step help, go ahead and sign up for one-on-one mentorship. If not, follow these steps at the very least and let me know how it goes. Comment below, let me know how it goes. I'll catch you on the next video.